Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Designer. I'm going to show you how to create a separate board section to sit on top of your beams with handrails and what to consider when creating it. Let's get started. To create a board level section for this part here, it's quite simple. As you can see, all depending on what beam section you've implemented within your design, 6.14, so therefore I can use two 307 bays going across, continuing with the kit I'm using within my design. All I need to do is select the bays I'm using, so I want a 307 ledger by 157 ledger. Drag the bay onto the page, and then all I need to do is edit this. So I can automatically make it a full pan section, so get rid of everything by just clicking this button here. But all I'm going to do is, because I need handrails on this, I'm going to remove my top lift. I'm going to make sure my handrails are on, make sure my toe boards are on for this section. I'm going to place it in position, and then I'm going to go into my bay details, verticals. I'm going to turn off my base jack, and then I want beam rider or beam spigot. That's going to go for all sections, but I don't need it for all sections. So what I'm going to do is look at my sides I need. So I only need it here on the R side. So I'm going to skip my B and L and my T and L. So I'm skipping them sections there because I don't need them. And then all I need to do, let's take a look at that. So as you can see, I've got no standards here. I've got my beam rider here, ready to connect onto my beam. Right, to lift it into position, just click on the bay again, and then we'll move it up onto your beam. So using your base nodes, we'll raise this up. Let's see if that's 10. Take it up some more. That looks about right. So I've got 13 to my base nodes on this. So into my model view. And there you go, that's one section in place. Now all I need to do is turn off my handrails for my L and R, and that is that complete. Now I need to make a copy of this, so highlight the bay, hover over it, click Control, and you should see a plus symbol, drag that away. Okay, so that's made two sections of this. Now what I need to do is in this section, I need to turn off all standards, because I've already got my standards here. I don't need any more on it. So into verticals, skip all, click apply, click close, move that into position, make sure everything lines up. There you go, got the green arrow to say everything's good. Let's take a look at that. And there is my board level for my beam section running all the way through with me standard on beam spigots, panned all the way through with my ledger underneath, kept that in, and my handrails throughout, toe boards as well. And there you go. I hope this helps. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come.